Hey, what's up, Ankr holder? This video is very urgent and very special for Ankr holder, and this one reason to Ankr holders do start one big mistake. Absolutely, Ankr holder goes wrong. Absolutely goes wrong. You can see here the latest change is absolutely goes down. Therefore, some Ankr holder also ask me a question to what video sell, buy, hold. So absolutely, this is a big question for Ankr holder because at those days every cryptocurrency goes down. So Ankr as also goes down. So what we in this big bet situation? Everyone ask me this question, and some Ankr holder do one big mistake to sell and this situation. Absolutely, you are in lost. Absolutely. So I am very sad to see this situation, to see this result. But what we do, this is absolutely, I hope in upcoming days they're going starting up like a rocket. So let's see the live price prediction of this Ankr cryptocurrency. But before I get started this video, my brother, I hope you are new in this channel. Please, I hope you subscribe this channel. Please subscribe this channel. Just complete 3000 subscribe, my brothers. I hope you complete it easily and complete this video just 100 likes. Okay, guys. So first of all, if you can see here, the result is totally down, and the result is down 6%, 6.56% goes down, and the market cap is also goes down. So if you can see here, the latest price is absolutely 0.145 US dollar is the latest price. Everybody remember this price. If you can see here, the market cap is totally goes down. You can see here everything is goes down, and this cryptocurrency. You can see here 6.28% market cap is goes down, and here as a full diluted market cap is absolutely goes down. 6.28% goes down. You can see here the volume of 24-hour absolutely 8.32% goes down. So absolutely totally bad result. Sorry, 13.32% goes down. So this is absolutely totally bad. But first of all, I'm gonna show you the last 1 day chart result to what's going on in the chart result. Absolutely very important for my brother. First of all, we see that and then we decide to what we do, sell, buy, what we do. Okay, so be focused on this chart. Absolutely, you can see here the totally goes down. Absolutely, you can see here as here is the price of one the totally as one Ankr price as 0.15439, but again they take a dump. Absolutely, and the prices come down to 0.14. So 0.15 to 0.14 they come down, but you can see here absolutely very bad dumps is here. The price is come down 0.14 to 0.13, and again they're starting jumping. They take a small jump absolutely, and they again take up for zero. They go down to go up to 0.15. So absolutely this is mind-blowing result, and I hope this is absolutely going up like a rocket in upcoming days. So what we saw again, they starting moving up. I hope they can starting. My expectation is very good from that. Absolutely they're starting going up, and the market result has changed. Absolutely everything is changed. So what you say to this is selling time or buying time? My opinion, this is not, I cannot order you, I just share my opinion to absolutely this is a buying time. If you have any plan, then absolutely buy it. I am going to buy 100 Ankr coins. What you are doing, please share it in a comment box. Absolutely this is good for all holder of Ankr. Please share it in a comment box. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for latest informative videos.